Namaskar, this is Seshadri, your labor advisor, corporate trainer, past IC member. Thank you for your support. This video is about in Tamil Nadu how to renew the factory license. Hope everybody might have migrated your portal, that is new dish portal, because the license renewal will work only in new portal only. New portal, if you have not migrated, immediately you have to migrate. For that, link also given in the description box. Otherwise, you can search on call HR and IT services or HR services channel in YouTube. You can find a lot of HR videos. In that factory license renewal video, Tamil and English available. You can migrate first, then you process the renewal. Let us understand the renewal process. As per the Tamil Nadu factories rules 1950, rule number 7, you have to renew the license under form number 2 in triplicate. You have to renew on or before, that is not less than 2 months before the date of which the license expires. Your license, when it is expiring before 2 months, you have to apply. All the license will expire in December or 31st only. Year may differ, and before 2 months means last date of October you must apply. That is the policy. That is a rule from Tamil Nadu government. So this is the on-call HR and IT services channel. You can find that video. Link also given in the description box. So let us understand how to renew now. How to renew? First you log in dish.tn.gov.in. This website in Google you can type. You will get the website. The website first page will be like this. You have to click all user login. You have to click all user login. Hope you will be remembering your login details. Login details you have to enter. You enter the mail ID and then captcha whatever displayed down. You have to enter that. Then it will ask for password. Once you give the password, you can click the sign in. As soon as you sign in, you can see your factory details displayed in the same format. In that, all the factory details you can verify. When it's expiring also it will be displayed here. You can click here view services. As soon as you click the view services, it will take all the services under factories, factory detail, occupier detail, like that it will be displaying. You can see down renewal of factory license as well as license details. In license detail, when you click, it will show when is expiring, what is the current license detail, everything. As well as renewal details, if you click, what will it will take you for renewal process. Very simple process. As soon as you click, it will display the years. As you know, up to 15 years we can renew the license in Tamil Nadu factories rules. You select the year, how many years you want to renew now. As soon as you select the years, you can display, it will be displaying what is the amount you need to pay. Total amount also will be displayed. As soon as you click pay now, it will take you to the bank. So it will first one, it will ask you confirmation. Your occupier name will be there, occupier number will be there. With this, it will proceed payment. You have to click. As soon as you click, it will take you to Kalan, that is karuvulam.in, Tamil Nadu's treasury website. It will take automatically. It will take. You need not to worry. You need not to do anything. Just verify everything is correct or not. As if it is correct, just click the bank. You have to select the bank. Either it is a state bank or any other bank. If your company bank is not listed, you can select the state bank. State bank will interact as a intermediary also. So you can see here, state bank account is there, state bank net banking or other bank. When you click, all the banks will be displayed. As soon as you can pay UPI also you can pay. So you have to pay this amount. As soon as you paid, it will show success. Your transaction is success. You can download the challan also here. When you click this, it will take you again back to dish portal. In dish portal, you can see the message, your payment was successful. When you click, it will show the license detail. In license detail, very excellently it has approved. So that means your license has been removed. As soon as you pay, it is renewed. You can download that certificate, your license, by clicking here this button, and under the action you can click this button. PDF format of your license will be downloaded. Very simple process. Sometimes some people are getting during the payment time, anything network problem, it will not be paying. That time what you have, when you are going back for a renewal of license, it will not allow you to click that time you see the renewal or license detail. In license detail, you can click here in action retry payment. When you retry payment, it will take again the bank account, bank detail, and then you can pay online the amount, then it will be renewed. Very simple process. Just you pay, get the license duly renewed. This is the simple process for renewal of factory license in Tamil Nadu. So any other details required or any doubts and this process, please WhatsApp me, don't call. Please WhatsApp with the screenshot. Definitely I will get back to you. I will get back with another video for you. Thank you for watching. Please share to HR Fraternity.